guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little unboxing for you. This is the new Fawn Design Mini 2.0. I just got it today. I just took it out of the box. I haven't actually looked at it yet, so I just wanted to kind of give it first impressions, show you how it comes and all that jazz. I also have my 1.0 Fawn Design Mini here with me that I've had since these first came out probably about 2 years ago, and I do still love this bag, and I just wanted to show you how it compares to the newer version. So they do send it in a dust bag, which is nice, and these dust bags are actually quite good quality. I did get the, I think, sand color. It came in 3 colors, coral, sand, and sea glass. So the way that they send it, they also send it in this little bag here that you can keep and reuse if you wanted to, but I usually just throw these away, to be honest. Okay, so here it is here. Now this is very pretty. This is kind of a cream color, I want to say, and this is natural afternoon light just in my bedroom here. So this definitely is a lot bigger than the original version, I can already tell. This is a matte leather, so it's a lot lighter and smoother, whereas the original ones were pebbled. This does have gold hardware, if you can see here. It is very pretty. I do like it a lot. I loved using the other one, my 1.0, as more of a mum kind of bag. It was a little bit too small to use as with my toddler, but I have a feeling that this one will actually be really good to use with my younger child, even with my other kids, because I don't take that much these days. So there are several differences, and I did mention the matte leather is one of them. It is an inch taller and wider than the original ones. It does have some extra features, mainly on the back of the bag. So now they added a handle, grab handle, which is nice. There's a zip pocket here as well, and then there's a slip pocket at the back here that actually you can put the backpack straps in that are now removable with the hardware down the bottom here, whereas in the original they weren't removable. Those are the main differences. The rest of the bag is pretty much the same, has the same one zip opening. I kind of wish they would do a double zip. A double zip is nice, I have to admit. And the inside here, same organization as the original, with the slip pocket at the back, little key fob, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets as you go around. So the inside is still the same faux leather material as the outside. That's the only thing with Fawn Design that I kind of wish they would change, is their inside lining. I wish they would do a lighter inside lining weight-wise, because it does add weight to the bag, and I don't know. And I know that it's supposed to be you can remove it and wipe it, but for my personal preference, I would have liked it if they did do a different lining, like a nylon or something. Do you get a messenger strap with it as well, which, you know, this is decent. Not the best quality that I can feel on these so far, but you know, we'll see how it goes after I've used it for a bit. These do retail, I think this was $98. I'll have to get the exact price and put it below. And the shipping here was actually quite fast and cheap. I think it only cost me $35 to ship it here, American, which is good for an international shipping. Here it is compared to my little 1.0, and so as you can see, this is definitely bigger. It's an inch taller and an inch wider. So these are really cute. I do really like this size as a handbag. This might actually be a little bit too big as a handbag, but it'll work great as a toddler, kind of me and my little girl, or with older kids bag. So you can definitely feel the difference in the leather. This is a lot smoother. This kind of has a texture to it. Weight wise, I'd have to have a look at the specs, but I think this feels a little heavier because of the hardware. So they've gone down in weight with the leather, because this is a lighter leather, but then they've added all these extra hardware bits at the back here, so that's kind of made it the same weight, I feel, as this one. Yeah, so plus it's a little bigger, so that would mean it's a little heavier too. But there you go. So let me give you another close-up of the sand. So this is a very pretty color. I do really like this. I wanted a light color because I am going into summer in this state, so we move. So I like having a lighter color, the gold. Okay guys, so just a quick unboxing, a little comparison to my little Fawn Design 1.0. So there's the back there. So as you can see, you've got D-rings now on the side that the backpack strap's attached to. Yeah, so there you go. I'll have to have a play with it and come back with you guys after I've had a bit of a play and pack and all that jazz, and I'll give you a review and packing. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great afternoon. Bye.